everyone, and welcome to the Phenomenal Five. Just thought I'd post a little update. Well, not really an update, just kind of let you guys know what's been going on over the last few weeks. Not a whole lot. I have done basically nothing. Just relaxing on my days off and not really working on anything at the moment. Just kind of taking a break from everything because I'm getting a little stressed over the finding the job. So I thought I'd just take a little time off. Sorry, I saw something in the window. Not sure what it was. It must have been a reflection of something. But I was doing some cleanup on my files on my computer. I do that from time to time, and I found some old footage of the babies. So I thought I would share that as well. That'll be coming up. One thing is I had basically 2 weeks ago, not quite 2 weeks ago, I had planned to take out another trip to go to a place near Cassie Mills here in Missouri. I'm also working on finding a place. Sorry, I just see someone up there. That's Laverne. Yeah, there's Laverne. Oh, she's coming over here now. That box is stuff as a box of trash that has to go out. It's just some stuff that I'm getting rid of. It'll go out on Monday when the trash picks up. But anyway, I was going to go out to it's. I'm not sure who owns it. What friend I have the information, but I just don't remember it right now. But here in southern Missouri, we have been getting rain pretty much every day, and the reviews of this camping spot, pretty much every other review was didn't have access because of flooding, and so I elected not to go because it was I was going to be gone 3 days, and all 3 days was we had rain in the forecast, so I figured I better not go. But then I thought, well, I'll just, in 2 weeks I get another Wednesday, Thursday, Friday off from work, so I could go then. Wouldn't you know, they've scheduled mandatory overtime for us for that week. So for those 3 days, I have to go in on Wednesdays. That's my day that I'm scheduled for. So that is going to put it on hold for a little bit, but I'm hoping to get down there. I guess it'll be in another 2 weeks when I get another Wednesday, Thursday, Friday off. And I'm also looking at some places out of state and taking vacation so that I have, full 7 days to go out. But that's just one of those. I found an area that's real that they talk about the campsite. The campsites are really nice, but it's difficult to find. It may be difficult to get off the main road and to the area where you're allowed to camp. That's in Arkansas. I did find another spot in Kansas, but I have to do more research on that because one of the sites I found in Kansas that's handled by their Fish and Game requires that you have Kansas state tags on your vehicle to stay there. And I have to find out if the one that I found, which is a different one, just a little further north from it, if that's a requirement as well. Before I make that decision, I also found a city campground near Tulsa. It's not in Tulsa, and I can't remember the name of the town that it's in. I have notes on all this because I can never remember it. So, but there's very little information about it. All I have been able to check so far is it's there. I've looked at Google Maps. not a real big site, but it was used to be the Corps of Engineers, and the Corps of Engineers shut it down. I'm sorry, I just have Brutus come up in my lap, and he's going to be bumping the desk that the computer's on, so it moves around. I apologize. Come around here. Go, go. Back up, back up. Come around over here, over here. There we go. Now get up and say hi to everybody. So they do have a restricted area that you're not allowed to camp, but their map did not clearly show where you can camp and where you can't. So I'm going to have to do research on that, but these are all things I'm working on for the future. Oh God, yes, I love you too. You're such a good baby. I need coffee. Hold on a second. Hold on. Hold on. Don't make me spill my coffee. Sorry, guys. Sometimes I just need my coffee. Hold on a second. There you go. Now you're on camera. Yeah. 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 So, well, yeah. Okay. That's not going to work. There we go. So, these are the things that we're working on. Getting some little trips out. So, just thought I'd give you all an update. And I'm going to go ahead and put these sections where, sorry, I just had Gossamer come up under my feet. And as you can see, Brutus is paying attention to her as well. Yeah, okay. But it just, I know it's kind of a boring video this time, not much good content. Just want to let you know I'm still out here and still working on things. So let me go ahead and get started, get this edited and get those films put it in for you. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks again. Oh, and remember to like, dislike, comment, and share it. If you know of somebody who might be interested in the full-time RVing life and what it's like to get started, just yeah, oh yeah. And they might be interested in my story, share it with them. I would appreciate that. Would really help me get my channel started. Enjoy, everyone, and have a great evening.